Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining today's Words of Wisdom with Prayer. I'm Eddie from Happy Science International Headquarters, and today's topic is the starting point of the principle of mind. It comes from this book, The 10 Principles from Cantare, Volume 1, Chapter 3. So let's begin. So first I want to remind you there are difference between mind, soul, and spirits. There are difference, mind, souls, and spirits. As you know, the mind is the core consciousness of our soul, and soul is like our physical body, shape of a body, and the spirit is like a ghost. It's like air. We can fly anywhere. So there are three differences. And when we go higher dimension of heavenly world, we become like air, not the physical body. This is a point. The higher dimension we go, we become like a freedom from our body. This is a point. So how to do it? We need to study about this book. So there are 9 dimensions as human beings, for human beings, and the master mentioned there the lowest is 4th dimension, and at the 4th and 5th dimension we are live like a human beings, same as on earth, as we are doing now. But after 6th dimension we have the spiritual path. We need to add our life spirituality. So I will quote master's sentence regarding 6th dimension. In this 6th dimension, light realm, many people are polishing their souls through the study of this truth. Along the process, they gradually become free from the consciousness they used to have on earth, the physical sense of their physical bodies. They begin using the knowledge of the truth that they have acquired to test what they are learned. Right? So we try to use the truth for polishing our soul in this 6th dimension. So I think I'm in 6th dimension in this earth. I'm studying the teaching of happy science and polishing our soul, but I cannot serve others. So in this meaning, I'm 6 or 5 around here. I'm in this realm. And regarding 7th dimension, master mentioned like this. As souls move from the 5th dimension to 6th and then reach the bodhisattva realm of the 7th dimension, they have more experience that convince them that the true nature of spirits is beyond the physical human form. Bodhisattvas dedicate themselves to saving all people through acts of love, so they are very busy to fulfill their duties. They need to separate their consciousness into different roles. So they have mission to save others, and they devote themselves to others. This is the condition of to enter 7th dimension. So this point, why I thought about this, because we can train our soul in this earth too. This is master's guideline, as you know. So through guideline, we can polish our soul, and while living on earth, we can reach. Our soul can reach to 6th dimension and 7th dimension or more, and even hell, of course. So the mind has miraculous power and miraculous antenna or compass or magnet which can connect or which can invite the spiritual heaven, a spiritual power that comes from the place where your heart are pointed out. You know, so we need to control the compass of our heart to the higher dimension. How? Please polish our soul through Master's teaching. And when we remove our attachment and become free, your heart can point it out more higher dimension. This is the purpose of our life. With this physical body, it's inconvenient for souls. But because of that, it becomes our spiritual training. With this inconvenient, heavy physical body, we can understand the freedom of a soul. To understand this, we are studying the truth. And remove our attachment, we can go higher heaven. As you know, on this earth, we can train our souls 10 times more than heavenly world. Because in the heavenly world, we are spiritual body already. So we can understand what is important. But in this world, we can't understand it easily. So in this earth, our training becomes 10 times more than heavenly world. That's why we are born in this world and polish our soul. You know? So through this life, let's try to polish and free from any bondage of this world together. Thank you very much. So let's move on to Happy Science morning prayer. Lord El Cantare, Master Ryuho Okawa, thank you very much for giving us your great light every day. We practice the principles of happiness, love, wisdom, self-reflection, and progress to make the world better with our brothers and sisters. With our gratitude, we will recite the true words spoken by Buddha, prayer to the Lord, and prayer to guardian and guiding spirits together. The true words spoken by Buddha, Ryuho Okawa. There used to be the light in the great universe. The light is the energy of Buddha. People can live by this energy, and Buddha's energy has made human history. It will be supplied eternally. This eternal light comes from heaven and prevails on earth. This is the light of heaven. Through the prism of Buddha, there appear the 7 colors of rainbow, arching over in the sky. Here you can see Buddha's mercy. Yellow is the color of teaching. White is the color of saving. Red is the color of justice. Purple is the color of obedience. Blue is the color of thinking. Green is the color of harmony. Silver is the color of progress. These 7 colors help each other, and there appears Buddha land. Buddha land is shining brightly because of the gathering of bodhisattvas. This is the land of love or the land of mercy. This is the land of wisdom or the land of teaching. Especially, this is the land of souls rest in peace. Real souls are the children of Buddha. The children of Buddha became real human beings. Real human beings have spirituality. Their spirits are immortal powers. The spirits are immortal forces. The spirits are real entities. The physical bodies are the shadows of the spirits. It means you are the boat sailing down the great river. The great river is a symbol of the course of lives. Each of you sails down as a small boat, so you need a boatman. If it were not for your own boatman, you surely go aground. This boatman really means your mind. If your mind makes a mistake, the boat breaks into pieces by a large rock, and you also need a bamboo pole. This pole is the meaning of the true words. When you go down a rapid stream, you need to pound in a stream. Then you can change your course. The true words mean the teaching of Buddha. Buddha enlightened and spoke the true words, and Buddha's teaching became a gold mine. This gold mine suggests various teachings. These are another expression of Buddha's truth. It brightens up your days, or to put it another way, the fruits of Buddha's mercy. All of you, now here listen to me. Never lose your way, now and forever. The guiding hand has already waved. Please follow this white hand and go straightly on and on. Your lives are not limited to this world only. They have three aspects: the past, the present, the future. Your pasts have already gone by, yet still, your mistakes will be kept in your minds. That is the reason why you should understand other people, and you yourself should reflect on what you have done. You and others are not different. On the contrary, both are children of Buddha, and brothers and sisters. Now then, love each other. Let us bring up each other, and it's time to forgive each other. This is the eternal law, which penetrates the present and the future. Yes, indeed, the light of the dark night. The dark night of this world is hell. It is also the same in another world. Since we came down to this world, the sun of the truth is scheduled to rise. Now we are watching rising sun. It will shed light to the future, to invite sad people to Buddha land. Now here I command. There shall not be conflict in this world. There shall not be distrust in this world. There shall not be crime in this world. There shall not be evil spirit in this world. There shall not be the devil in the next world. Only the ideal world. Utopia shall be realized. All of the people love each other, live harmoniously, believe in one another. That world is utopia. All of us could be the light of bodhisattvas. Believe in that the light has reality. Believe in that love has reality. Believe in that the truth has reality. These are the facts that should be conveyed. We, the light of bodhisattvas, get together, work together to keep right mind and live in tune with Buddha's words. Here we vow to do so. Prayer to the Lord. Our Lord El Cantare, you are the source of all light, all power, all wisdom, and all love. May you give us light, give us power, give us wisdom, and give us love. O Lord, our Father, please protect this planet of love Earth. Protect us from all evil, and open a future for us. O Lord, thank you for giving us light. We give thanks from the bottom of our hearts. Prayer to guardian and guiding spirits. My guardian and guiding spirits, deep inside of me, you are the fountain of life, the light of hope, the source of wisdom, and the shield of courage. Every day, may you help me develop my soul and refine my mind. Every day, may you give me inspiration and show me the right path to follow. Please protect me from all evil and guide me in living a better life. For this, I give my thanks. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.